Hey guys, my name is David, and installing a hitch on your Chevy Blazer can take you to some really fun places, such as camping and bike riding. It can also tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break this down. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. First step is we're going to remove the rear access panel by removing the two wing nuts. All right, so we're just going to give these guys a quarter turn and then pop them out. Okay, so we're going to remove this here and set it aside for reinstallation later. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove these two screws with a torque 15 bit. Next we're going to lower the exhaust, but first we're going to support it by using the strap. To lower the exhaust, we're going to remove two bolts on the driver's side exhaust hanger. We're going to use a 15mm wrench to do this. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the passenger side exhaust hanger. With the bolts removed, we can now disconnect our exhaust brackets. Now we're going to remove a third rubber isolator by using soapy water and our exhaust pliers. Next, we're going to install our hardware into these three holes using the fish wire technique inside of this access hole here. As you can see, our hardware will not fit through the access hole, and we'll need to enlarge it using a step bit. And we're going to repeat this process on the other side. Next, we're going to fish wire through our frontmost mounting hole and out of our enlarged access hole. Now we're going to add our spacer and carriage bolt. And we'll repeat that step on the two remaining mounting holes. Now we'll repeat the same fishing wire process on the other side. Now we're going to bring our hitch into place and use an extra set of hands because this hitch is heavy. Now we're going to torque this down to manufacturer specs, and you can find those details linked in the description below. I'm going to be using a 19mm socket with a 4-inch extension. With our hitch in place, we're going to raise our exhaust and put everything back together. Now with our hitch installed, we brought our vehicle down to the ground to show you some important measurements. So we have here a 2-inch receiver, and from the pinhole to the edge of the bumper, 5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the receiver, 17 inches. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.